Gariautocare. I'm Team Wire. Today we have another episode. Right now I have Mitsubishi Lanza. Let me show you. Mitsubishi. It had an engine of 6A13. This engine has been swapped with Toyota 7A engine. It's performing good. It has power. Everything's okay, but the main problem is overheating. So today I'm going to show you how to connect the fan automatic using this is the fan controller of Mitsubishi, but I'm going to do it to connect with the 7A engine using the temperature switch sensor. So stay tuned. Yeah. This is the signal wire. This signal wire is going direct to the coolant temperature sensor. Then we have ignition one, the main one for the fan. Then we have that's the complete wiring. So this is the wire I've been talking about. So we need a relay here. This is the relay, the fan relay. So we have up here, then ignition, then we have constant, then output. This is my fucking relay here. My tester on earth. Then we have put ignition off. Put ignition on. See, so meaning everything's okay. So the final step is about the temperature sensor. Here's the temperature sensor. This is the line of temperature sensor. So this temperature sensor wire is this one from the controller. I think right now everything's okay. Let's start the vehicle and see how it's going to perform. So the vehicle is running. We're waiting for the front to off.